Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start next lesson of textbook of English. So open your books at page 26. Now we are going to read the next lesson, which is written in March. It is a beautiful poem by Williams Wordsworth. Williams Wordsworth was a poet of nature, and he describes the nature very beautifully. And in this poem, he has shown how the human life is affected with the commencement of spring. March is the time of gradual change when the last of snow melts away, and it signals the arrival of new life. So come to the text. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing. The small birds twitter, twitter means make noise. The lake doth glitter, glitter means shine, and doth is used for does in the Old English. The green field sleeps in the sun. The oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. Well, in these lines, we can say that poet shows the routine life of countryside. Poet visualizes beautiful scene in the minds of the reader by showing beautiful nature. And that how people are at work, and the cattle are grazing with concentration, and they never raise their heads, and it looks that even though there are 40 cattle, but they appears to be one. Then come to next 10 lines. Like an army defeated, the snow has retreated. Retreated means gone back. And now doth fear rail on the top of the bare hill. The plough boy whooping and on and on. Whooping means crying loudly. There is joy on the mountains. There is life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing. Blue sky prevailing. The rain is over and gone. So in these lines we can say that in first two lines he has used a simile. Simile is used to compare two things. Here he has compared snow with the defeated army. Like he says, like an army defeated, the snow has retreated. The snow has gone away. It has melted like a defeated army moves back. And the hills are bare because there is no snow and there is even no vegetation. And everything seems to come to life due to the arrival of the spring. It is very simple and easy poem. Now come to the question and answers. First one is, which season has been described in the poem? Okay, students, I have done these questions for you. You have to prepare the page first. Like this one, mention the name of the poem. Then you have to write down the first question. Which season has been described in the poem? The answer is spring season has been described in the poem. Second one, quote the lines in the poem containing a striking simile and explain it. Okay, we have to quote the lines. Like an army defeated, the snow has retreated. In these lines, poet uses a striking simile. Melting of snow is as beautiful as the movement of the defeated but disciplined forces. Where do the cattle graze, and why don't they raise their heads? A parallel has been drawn about 40 to 80 cattle who are grazing in the green field and have bowed their heads without any dissimilarity in the act of grazing. Now move to question number 4. There are some rhyming words in the poem. Pick them out. Okay. The rhyming words in the poem are youngest and strongest, grazing and raising, defeated and retreated, mountains and fountains, sailing and prevailing. Fifth question, who is whooping and on and on? The plough boy is doing this act. Question 6. What is meant by saying that the green fields sleep? The green fields sleep means that in cold winter season the fields are green with fresh green grass and they enjoy the sunshine of the spring. Lesson is done. Thank you so much.